Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. This may be the last train I get before a looming strike on Thursday. Here we are, the 20th of August, 2024, on a day that was kind of mostly cloudy, a little bit of rainy. I'm at Marshall Avenue, and we got a CP freight, probably 119, ready to leave. A single locomotive up front. Looks like an AC 4400 CWM. And there'll be a second locomotive mid-train, since I saw this train working in the yard on the bridge there at I forget the name of this, Fairway Avenue there. Yeah, Fairway Avenue Bridge. So this is the same train that was building at the Fairway Avenue Bridge, and I'll put the two videos together. I biked here today. And it's kind of a gray day, as I said earlier, and it's also a cooler day, much cooler day. I think it's only gone up to about 18 or 19 degrees today. After 30 degrees, that's quite a difference. It's been a while since I've been here at Marshall Avenue. Look at that gray sky. Look at those clouds. I got pretty lucky though. I didn't get into any serious showers. I'm hoping that'll stay the course. It looks like the clouds are broken up towards the north when I head back. But if you look now in Lachine, it looks like that there's some cloud, some heavy cloud there. And LaSalle looks like it might have rain. This is a westbound freight. At about 7 o'clock p.m. I think the last time I was here is with Ben and Elton. Maybe last summer. Or maybe last fall, I'm not sure. And if you like model trains, I got plenty of model train videos too, from the awesome Expo Rail Model Train Expo that happened just last weekend. 25 videos I shot of various groups, including my own trains running around on the N-scale layout from the main Montreal modules group. Always amazing to run trains on their layout. Always a fun time to visit Expo Rail. Always a fun time to go to a model train show in the Montreal area. Hoping that the Vermont and Essex group also will be doing an open house soon. Usually in September they do have one, so here we are. This is the DPU. Same one I saw from Fairway Avenue. This is the Dorval plant. I think I got some rain actually on the lens. It has been dripping here, not raining hard. This spur line goes into the Dorval plant, and I did find, I was able to get a video of the train switching tank car into this plant from the other side, from the bridge side. That's quite rare. Haven't seen that since. In 5 years of filming trains, I think I've seen it once. Check out that sky. Yeah, a little disappointed there hasn't been a second train on CN or something. Would be cool to get 2 freights going. And that's the end of the train. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.